Look how dangerous the storm is. Look at the flooding. Mama.
I'd go through it and not stop.
Mama, point this at the front. I'm seeing that through the Weather Channel.
Jesus Christ. Y'all look here.
This is deadly.
This is hitting the door. Right out the door.
And this is a truck.
Is this four-wheel drive? No. But we're making it home. I can promise you.
And this is a hill. Look at this.
We're getting home. Oh my God, look at this driveway. Jesus.
Look at that down.
Are we going to be able to get into the yard?
We'll have to. If we have to put our boots on. If I can put him on top of my head, I will.
I'm changing. I'll try that.
Oh, wow.
I ain't seen a foot like this in a long time.
And it started off looking like a hurricane.
Let's get where we can see now.
I know.
I'm putting that on the website.
And these are hills that we're going up.
Is it playing?
Oh, Lord. I hope it's recording. You're the one that handed it to me. I ain't done nothing.
See if it's moving. Numbers is moving. Yeah, it's not no sun back.
Oh, my stars.
Debbie lives right there.
Both of these cars, or these vehicles, are trucks.
Look at that tiny truck right there.